Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Blind spot assist. Come around to the rear of the vehicle. You see our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at rear seats next. Got a little bit of this accent trim in the vehicle. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at our driver's side next. So we have power seats and heated seats, both driver and passenger, and memory seats on the driver's side. You can see seat and door controls there. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. And we'll hop inside. Mileage currently at 5,030. Push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that is climate control, cup holder, command module for making further adjustments on the display, and our shifter. If you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.